Man, one thing we gotta work on is those transitions from the intro music to to this screen right here. Yeah, thanks for all of you that have already showed up. I know there's a few people on Periscope. If you're on Periscope, say hi in the chat because I can't see you here until you say hi in the chat. So, where's my switcher? I can't see you here in the chat. Any of you, whether you're on Twitch or YouTube or any of those places, I can't. I don't know that you're here until you say hello because I can't see your join messages any other way. So if you are anywhere, let me know. I think maybe I'll tweet out this as well. This is, oh, there we go. Brian on Twitch. Good to see you. Here's some live tweeting. See, I was gonna tweet this earlier, but I never did. You can actually let's just go back to this thread here. Sometimes it's better just to also live on YouTube here and on Twitch. I know there's ways to automate this stuff, but none of it kind of works the way I want it to. Hello, is it Fidel Loper? Fidel Loper? Welcome to Dumb Programming Questions. I'm a business guy, marketing guy, and I'm forcing myself to learn some programming. And I think that this stream and this series, you can find all of the videos on Twitch and on youtube.com/Justin Jackson. I think these will be useful for other business people, other marketers that have always wanted to learn to code, geeks who can't code. You know, you've been technical your whole life, but you've never been able to figure this part out. I think you're going to dig what I'm forcing myself to do because I'm just a jackass like you trying to figure it out. If you're an experienced programmer, I think you will find these streams highly entertaining because I'm going to make every mistake you can make, and you folks can scream at your screens as I try to do this stuff. And also now I can take Skype calls live. So if you really want to, get on here and walk me through some stuff live, we've had Adam Wathen did one last time, and Jack McCade did one. I need to get some overlays for Adam Wathen and Jack McCade. Just to say, here's the folks that have helped out before. We should have like a talking heads piece here. Let's see, save this image. So let's put Adam right here. Watch this. I'll do it live. I can add an image. And there we go. So here's the what do we call this? We're going to call this the the guest list of doom or something. And then Jack McCade. McCade? Is that how you spell your name, Jack? No. What is it? Might as well just go to Twitter. That's the best search engine for this stuff. So I am going to be editing some stuff. Jack McDade. I'm saying McCade. That's my problem, right? Okay, let's save Jack's image here too. And I'll add him to the legend of shame. Well, not shame, but just of, what do we call it? I don't know. It's not easy talking to me on the phone and trying to figure out technical stuff. So, we're going to get into it right away here. Folks, I can't see you in the chat unless you say hello. So if you've joined and you're watching live on Periscope or YouTube or Larastream, Larastream I can't get unless unless I actually go here, unfortunately. Where's my stream right now? I gotta turn off the audio. Mute it. Where's the chat? So if you're here on Larastream, let me know, and I will. I'll say hi later every once in a while. This week I want to. Last time what we did, Justin Jack on. Last time we installed Statamic, which is a Laravel-based CMS, and we got to the point where we've got a test site up and running, and we imported all of my old posts. So this is my current website hosted on WordPress, right there. But I wanted to, try to put it on Statamic, and sorry, you guys can't see what I'm doing here. This is my old website hosted on WordPress, and this is the new one on Statamic, and we've imported everything, but I want to make it look, I want to give it the brutalist treatment, right? And so we're going to edit the styles on this and try to get it to look a little bit more brutal. I'm using right now, what am I using for font? I can't remember myself. Hold on here. Where do I have that? Let's go. Let's actually look at... let's look at my style here. So here's my... Okay, so I'm using Roboto Mono, a monospace font. So that's what we're going to do. Brian asks, do your friends recommend starting with Laravel before you have the basics of PHP, DB, terminal, etc.? I don't know. I'm just a guy trying to figure this out. And so, I mean, I've been a geek for a long time. I was on, Unix in 91 and 92 before the web was around. I was on the internet and Usenet groups. And so I had a basic sense of what the terminal was, but I obviously have lots of gaps, as you've seen. Didn't know how to get myself out of Vim when I got stuck there last time. Didn't know cd ... That brings me back to my home directory. So I'm just trying to fill in some gaps, and I don't know. I just want to jump right into things. So I feel like, in this case, for example, installing a project like Statamic, which requires that I follow all these instructions. Where's the instructions? Docs. So I had to follow all these install instructions, and that requires some command line stuff. It required installing all these dependencies, and for me, this is just a better way to learn. And maybe I'm luckier than most in that I've got friends that can help me out with this stuff. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. All right. Well, let's. I don't know. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing, but let's get going here. So my Statamic site is here, and I think I can just go Atom dot and open this up in Atom, right? All right. So let's close up some of this, and now I've got to figure out where is the CSS for this. Looks like it's right here. So let's see what we got here. Oh Lord. Now, this is all like minified. What am I going to do with this? I mean, here's my font family. What? Okay, so here's the first question, folks. I want to edit the CSS, but it's all minified, right? What do I do? Let's there's probably an easier way to do this, right? Let's go into this control panel and see what happens. And Brian's saying unminify.com for that. But let's see, maybe there's some stuff here I can edit. So there's assets, there's globals. Oh, I can change that logo. I'm going to do that in a sec. Settings. Editing Statamic CSS and themes. All right, here's the autonomy. This is where CSS file. Oh, the folder isn't required to use Statamic. I don't know. Maybe let's just unminify it. See what happens. So, oh, I didn't want to do that. Grab it and bring it over here. And yeah, let's grab this. Paste our code. Unminify. There we go. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? So we want to edit. I wonder if I should just edit it in here. And then, oh, except this is going to be too brutal. I'm just going to copy it back into here. I might regret this, but. Holy Dinah. What's the shortcut for going to the top in Atom? Here we go. All right. So first thing we want to do is change the font family. Let's see. What do we got here? Text area, details, menu. I'm guessing there's a global style for typeface somewhere. Body, here we go. System UI, Blink Mac system font. And I want to change that to this right here. So let's do that. I'm going to wrap text here just so you folks can see what the hell is going on. Holy Dinah, that's a lot. That's a lot going on. It looks like this theme already loads Roboto. Oh, it doesn't load Roboto Mono though, so I'll have to figure that out later. Let's just save that and just see what happens. Maybe already it's gonna load that. Let's go to console, see what's not loading. Maybe this is cached or something, because that doesn't look right. Yeah, I'm going to need to import that font. I was just surprised it didn't show up as like missing here, right? Okay, let's see where we import the font. It's got to be somewhere maybe in the header. Let's see here. Nope. It's got to be somewhere in this theming, hey? Theme. Okay, here's the head. I'm guessing there is a way of doing this that is the correct way. But let's just go to Google Fonts and grab that. So I want Roboto Mono There we go. Let's click this and select this font. Here's the link I want. I think that's really all I want. Yeah. So, which do you do, by the way? Do you do standard or import? Ooh, I wonder if they're already doing that already in the, let's go back here. Are they importing anything? Import. Why don't we look for this in the whole project, right? That's a good way to do it. Import Roboto. Search all these files. Nothing found. Let's see if we can find this. So I'm going to look for this in the whole project. Oh, here we go. Okay, it doesn't look like they're importing any Google Font stuff. CSS is cascading, so it's probably better to just override the CSS with what you want changed in a later loading style sheet. But you don't think I should just do it here? Like, I can do it at the beginning of this, can I? I kind of want to just do that. Why can't I just do it there, Brian? Why can't I just do this? Why not? Here, let's try this out. Where's my... If it works, you can. I don't know if there's like a caching system here or something. It's hard figuring all this stuff out. Let me see if I can... Man, oh man. Brian Johnson, you're already laughing at me. Yeah, but I thought you could just... Why do I need to like reload it each time? Because if I change the content, it just updates. Feel free to compile into these. We do it, and so should you. Yeah, so I'm not exactly sure. PHP clear cache. Is that the key, Brian? All right, here we go. Okay. Let's try again. Yeah, and it's still loading the old style. Still loading the old. How do I? No, I just want to see this. Yeah, I don't know why I can't get this to uncache here. Let's try it a different way. Let's just see if... So I'm just going to save that again. Like maybe there's a... I don't know. Maybe there's a a way of compiling the CSS. I should have read the docs on this one, eh? Okay. Let's go back to default. Where's that? Wasn't header. Where's it? Layouts. I could just link to it right here too. Let's try that approach. Okay. I'm going to save this and see what this does. Although if it's not updating the style, I'll still have a problem, won't I? But I should be able to see actually now if it's even updating that piece. Okay, so now it is importing that font family from Google. I just can't get it to update the style sheet. This is the style sheet. That's so weird that it wouldn't. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see if it updated this now. Yes. Okay, there we go. Maybe it's just browser caching. Folks, who's still here with me? We just accomplished something. Browser caching. I wish there was a way of knowing when it's being cached by the browser and it's being cached somewhere else. Is there a way to figure that out somehow? Yes, no? Let me know in the chat. If you keep your dev tools open, it will clear. But sorry, what does that mean, Jack? What does that mean? I don't know what that means, but anyway, it looks like I've got the typeface to update to my brutalist, the one I want, right? Roboto Mono. You can look at the request headers. I don't know what that is, Jack. I don't know what a request header is. Request header. What is a request header? See, I have no shame. I'll Google all this stuff. How do I see? Oh, if DevTools is open, then it'll make sure that it's not cached in the network tab right here. Okay. Holy shit. What do I do here, Jack? This is a whole new stop recording, clear, group frame by frame, disable cache. Do I want to disable the cache while DevTools is open? Oh, let's just do that. Let me know if that's what you wanted me to do. Okay, I want to move on because I'm getting excited because I actually made something happen here. The next thing I gotta update this logo here because that's I want to make this next thing happen here. So what's going on here? Let's save this image, Justin Jackson. There we go. All right. So let's update that logo. I saw this somewhere. I think it's under assets. Nope. Where did I see this? There was a way of editing that right in the template. Where was that? Content, field sets, theming. Where do I get the template settings? I saw a place to update my logo, but now I can't see it. You'd think it'd be under theming. Simple templates. No. Man. So frustrating when you... I know that's the logo, but there's a way of updating the logo. Yeah, sorry, Jack McDade. I know this is frustrating watching someone click around and try to figure out, but I saw this place to update the logo and I can't find it. Okay, he says global. Oh, there we go. Globals. Okay, so let's try to update this. We're going to remove the file. Well, removing a file will not update any references to it, which may... Oh, boy, this is super exciting. How do I replace this file? Download, open. That's not super fun. Upload your logo if you have one. It should be... Can you drag and drop in here? Oh, let's try that. Oh, there we go. This is the one I want. Okay. Now, I'm going to say Justin Jackson, not the NBA star. And save it. And if I delete this and keep this, let's see what happens here. Sorry, I'll bring back chat. Jack is just in the comments again, just going crazy. Look at that. This is what I want. This is what I want. This is what I want. All right. So, I mean, I might change that a little bit later, but we're getting somewhere, right? We've got this brutalist font going on. We got, this is looking more like my style here, right? More like the original. Here's the original right here. Let me show you here's a recent post. By the way, Jack, this is a recent post that I didn't import. Should I re-import or should I just add this one manually? All right, so I want to change the links back to the standard blue. What is standard hyperlink blue? What is that? Did any of you know it was 0000EE? All right, so I'm going to open up this again, go back here. Let's look for now where is that? Let's check. Let's look. This is how I'm going to do it. Is I'm going to look for wherever this. Well, let's open this up and see what the color is. Bard.a. That's what we want to change. .bard. All right. Let's look for that. .bard.a. Oh wait, how come it's looking the whole project? No. I just want to look in here. .bard.a. Here we go. All right. Fog the Catman, why are you saying oh no? Oh no what? Question, how come there's no semicolon here? You don't need one? You don't need one before the closing bracket? I'll wait. I know there's some latency. How come I don't need the closing semicolon? Fog the Catman. Did I just do a replace? Did I? Oh, I did do a replace. Oh, that's... God damn it. Let's go undo a couple times. Fuck. How far do I... The problem is when you're talking and... shit. How am I going to know what I just did? Undo, undo. I don't know. I'm gonna roll with it. I don't know. I'm gonna save this. And let's see. Oh yeah, just updated. You're right, Fog the Catman. I might have replaced a bunch of other shit and messed things up. But I don't know how to go back now. So, is there like a big undo buffer somewhere in here? Yeah, someone rewind the stream. I need an undo buffer. I can't. One Control Z, one step back is not enough. I need a bunch of steps back, right? But I'm just going to assume it's okay. Dope. And yeah, that's great. I think we should add a hover. Do I have a hover right now? Is there standard hover? Just visited link is purple. Active link is red. Maybe we should do that. So how do we do this now? Do we go Bard a hover? Is that what we do? Color. Does that look right? That's what get is for. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. It's not. It's a colon hover. Yeah. Look at me. Yeah, I'm coding live and making mistakes and having fun. So far we've replaced the typeface. Look at this. Fog the Catman, you just helped me turn this hover into a fucking awesome red. And we should make sure that our visited is purple, eh? Let's do that. So, oh, what was this? Oh, nice. This is a good episode. If you haven't listened to it, fullstackradio.com/93. Adam says it's the second most listened to episode he's ever done. Okay, yeah, we need to visit it. So that's going to be, I'm guessing, Fog the Catman, a visited. Yes. Oh, except when you've got also have this emoji thing, that fucks things up. Okay, and thanks, Jack McDade. I'll take it from here. All right, visited link is, of course, this purple. Got to have it. None of this new fancy shit. We're going original from... No one... You haven't told me why I don't need this semicolon. This is messing me up. I want to put a semicolon there. I'm going to do it. Whatever. All right, let's go back. Man, I need to set a favicon for this because it's... Oh, yeah, look at that. Now we got the purple. Oh, this is beautiful. All right. What else do we need to do here? What else do we need to do to make this feel like myself here? I'm liking a lot of this. Gotta change that sometime. Got all these pages here. See what the about page looks like. Oh, I need to update that. Maybe I should do that next. Yeah, let's edit the about. So go back in here, and I know that these are. Let's see here. Let's close themes for a sec. Where's my actual content? Not here. Where is it? No. Justin Jackson. Here we go. Content right in front of my face. Pages. About. Index. This is what we want. Keep this pending tab open. All right. So, except how come this isn't updated? Hi, I'm Justin. You know what? We fixed this the other day. Let's see if I can remember what Jack McDade taught me. So we're going to look for a template. That's that. Let's see here. Post content. I remember we had to fix this. Like there was a loop that wasn't working. But why is this not working? This is just for the... For some reason, this isn't showing my about page. I might have to go back to that later. Anything else you want me to fix live? I mean, we've accomplished quite a bit. We changed the typeface, changed the colors. I'm trying to think what else I want to do it. Yeah, you've never seen someone who's so excited about CSS. CSS is magical, man. It's incredible when you can actually change it. I don't understand why people minify it though. I know it loads faster, but I want to just be able to edit it. Oh, I should see where other... Ooh, we better change these block quotes, eh? Let's do that. That'll be fun. All right, so we're going to grab this here. Ooh, and you know what else? I like it 1 1 1 1 1. Let's do that. It's like a little bit dark, but not crazy dark. Oh yeah, just a touch darker. That's what I'm talking about. I'd also like to edit. I don't want it to say Justin Jackson is a programming idiot anymore. How do I do that? Well, I can change this. This is Justin Jackson. What do I have on my old one? Let's see what kind of description I've got here. Just title, but where's my... Oh, I don't have... Oh yeah, here we go. Justin Jackson. Holy shit, I've got a big, long description. Okay, well, we'll put that there for now. You can reach me at justin@megamaker.co. Save. All right, so what was it going to change? Oh yeah, we're going to change block quote. Let's find a post where I actually have block quotes. All right, so this is block quote here. We don't have our brutalist typeface that we want, right? So we're going to change that to Roboto Mono. Where was that? Right down here. Let's remove all this stuff. Paste. Copy and paste. You guys okay with that? I know some of you don't like it. Let's save it. Refresh. Oh, looks so much better. Let's make sure we've got... Oh, we need to fix these images too. What's going on with this? Let's see if we can find this post. What's this, iChris? Minified is usually the best word in the middle of the Canadian winter. What is this? Can I click on this live? What are you showing here? CSS is magical. Oh, thanks, Chris, for leaving some clips. I like those. We've got a good collection going. All right. So we just did the block quote. Where else? Let's just keep going through the CSS. What's this? Oh, here's another one. I know I could probably just do a big find and replace, but it's not bad just going through here, see what's going on. Oh, God. At one point, I'm going to want to just go through all of this and tear a bunch of stuff out. This is what I don't like, is when there's like tons and tons and tons of stuff. I think my old style sheet was super small. What's over here? Got some hover stuff. By the way, is there good tools for exploring CSS that are better than me just going through here? One thing I could do, I guess, is I could look for where else we find Menlo. So hold on, I'm going to just do this and then see where else we find Menlo. All right, yeah, let's just replace all this. And again, I don't even know what this is now. These are just tons and tons of stuff that, well, I don't know, Viper, like just being able to visualize it, like right now I'm just kind of manually going through it. Okay, I think I got all of those. Let's just refresh this, see what's going on. Cool. Yeah, I'm liking the looks of this. I'm liking it even a little bit more than my old one. I feel like this has got some nice pieces here. Something I'm going to figure out next time is I want this page to show some of my latest posts, but you'll notice on my current homepage I've got like an intro and then some logos and stuff. But yeah, Brian Johnson, maybe that's what I'll try next time, is building a theme from scratch. Brian, are you using Statamic for your site? Oh yeah, I should have taken before and after shots. It's true. Already fucked that up. I didn't want to import all my WordPress CSS because there's stuff I don't like in here that I wanted to get away from. So, I mean, I think actually one thing we can see in here that's not great for brutalism is this stuff here. This isn't very brutal. What is all this? This is pagination. Let's look at pagination quick before I end. Oh, I had caps lock on. All right, pagination. So I'm open to some ideas here. How would you brutify these pagination blocks? I mean, one thing we could do is we could kind of fuck around in just in this view here and disable stuff here, right? So where's that green coming from? Where is that? Let's go to active. Okay, so that's the background color. If we take that out, so background black, white text. Oh, I like that. I like it. Okay, so let's do that. So we need pagination. Okay, I think I can remember where this is. Pagination L active. Where is that? Here we are. All right, so let's make this 111, and then we want the active. Oh, it is white already. Okay, let's refresh this, see what that looks like. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the active, we're making background black, white text, no shadow. All right, let's do that. So we're gonna remove that shadow. Thanks, Fog the Cat Man. I like these suggestions. Are you a brutalism fan, or do you think it's played out now? Okay, so let's delete this, right? Let's refresh, see how that looks. All right, yeah, we're getting there, eh? Just a web guy. One thing that's weird is eventually I need to figure out some logic, because this is like kind of weird. It's looping through here, but it doesn't look great. Wonder if I could actually, let's look at this actually. Might be a way of fixing this easier. List style. I wonder if we added line height here, if that would help. No. Not line height, maybe padding. Oh, we already have padding. No, not padding, margin, sorry. And we just want it, I don't know, 5 pixels, top right. No, that doesn't do it either, because it's just doing it for the whole element. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out later. Okay, but this is looking a little bit better, right? Just with the black, and then, it's just gray background. I mean, maybe you could add a border and make it a little bit more, a brutalist, a little bit more raw, but I think this is pretty good to start. And actually, this isn't quite a gray, is it? Let's make that just the old CCC. right? No, wait. CCC, is that going to be too dark? Oh, that's a little bit too dark. We want the light, that light gray. What's light gray? And no border radius. Yeah, you're probably right. Okay. What's the light gray, though? How come I can't think of it? Do they have a color picker here? No, they don't. What's the light gray? I can't remember what the light gray is. I thought it was CCC, but you know the real light one? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's the one I want. E1. Can I just do E1, E1? Let's try this one out. Oh, that's too light. Is that? I think that's what he's using already. What about E? Let's try that. How come? What's going on here now? Did I fuck something up? Oh, yeah. Thanks, Fog the Cat Man. Man, this is like having the best coding partners ever. All right, and we got to remove that border radius. This one right here. Take it out. What else we got here? Anything else? All right. Now I can't tell if that's out. I think it is. Yeah, nice square. Beauty. All right, so we got some nice things going on here. Anything else? This was fun. I think next time we're going to want to figure this out. We got to also let's edit this too. This thing needs to change. Thanks, Brian Johnson. We're almost done here today, folks. Thanks for hanging out with me, helping me out. Border accent, we're going to change this for sure. And then we got a rounded thing. We are actually going to have to change this. Oh, see, this is that Tailwind CSS, this utility stuff. I haven't messed around with this that much later, but yet. But this is, you define all the classes here. So let's just look. Let's find this thing. Where is this? Okay, so we should be able to remove rounded here and have it remove that from our whole site, right? Oh, this is exciting. This is the first time I've edited some utility-driven CSS. Oh, yes! So good, so good. Did you see that, Viper Effects? Just remove the rounded corners using a utility-based CSS framework. What is that? What's it called? Utility first CSS framework. Yeah. All right. So let's change that color. That's the border accent. We want to change that. Border accent. It's here. Oh yeah. No. Let's go here. This is what we want. Okay, we're going to change this to, what if we should change it to the hyperlink red that we had? That's this one here. That might be a little bit too much, but definitely look more raw than we got. All right, let's refresh this. Yes! Nice. I'm going to have to mess with my ConvertKit embed there. But this is looking a lot better, folks. We've really gotten somewhere from the first time, first time I streamed and getting lost in, where am I? Getting lost inside of Vim and couldn't install it, having to get this guy right here to give me a call, and then the second time had to get this guy here to help me walk me through the install steps. We made a lot of progress. Now we're we're here. We're like editing shit and having fun. So thanks again, everyone, for showing up for this third stream. Please, folks, if you're not following me on Twitch yet, go to twitch.tv/megajustin and follow me on there. And on YouTube, it's youtube.com/Justin Jackson. Not as many folks on Periscope today. I don't know what happened. Maybe I'll just check that out quick. Just see what's going on there. Oh, nice. Thanks, Chris, for tweeting that. Yeah, I want to figure out why that. Where is that? I had a link to Twitch. Not Twitch, to Periscope, and it didn't work for some reason. Or at least we didn't. Like one time I streamed from Periscope, and there was hundreds of people on there and lots of folks commenting. Let's see what's happening there right now. Okay, it's still going. Oh, there's just no one there today. Weird. Some days there's tons of folks on Periscope, and some days there's not. It looks like people keep jumping in and out, so... Hello to everyone who was on Periscope. Next time, stick around. And yeah, I'm going to call it quits for today. Thanks again, folks. See you next time.